This might help you enjoy your stay, Mr. Bigelow. It's a little booklet on how to have fun in San Francisco.
Thank you.
Very welcome, sir. Thank you.
Say, is it always like this around here?
No, this is market week, and it's the last day, too. Boy, always around until you need him. Thank you. Here's a message for you, Mr. Bigelow. Long-distance call came in about an hour ago from Banning. From a Paula Gibson. Oh, thank you. Very welcome. Show Mr. Bigelow the 618.
Right this way, Slide. Yes, sir. Thank you.
And, you can leave that door open.
Hello, operator. I want to speak to Miss Paula Gibson in Banning, California.
Yeah, that's right. No, I'll wait.
Hello?
Hello, Paula.
Hello, Frank. How are you doing?
Hi.
I'm considering it.
Is that what you called to tell me?
I'll have you know that this call is strictly business, Mr. Bigelow. Did a Mr. Phillips phone you? Eugene Phillips of Los Angeles.
No.
He will. He phoned the office 3 times today. Said that he wanted to get in touch with you immediately. He said it's most urgent and imperative that he reach you at once.
What do you want?
I don't know. But he sounded deep, dark, and mysterious and quite agitated about something.
Phillips. Have we ever done any business with him?
Not unless you've been keeping it a secret from me. I looked through all the accounts.
My friend, he can't reach me.
He won't talk to me. I told him that I was your confidential secretary, but I guess I didn't sound confidential enough. So I told him that he could reach you there this evening.
Well, call him back. If it's as important as he says it is, he'll talk to you. Otherwise, you'll just have to wait until I get home.
My, aren't we adamant this evening? All right, shall do. And Frank,
Yeah?
I don't quite know how to say this.
Say what?